AI tools streamline workflows by automating repetitive tasks, allowing professionals to focus on strategic activities. For instance, AI-driven scheduling apps optimize calendar management, while AI-powered data analysis tools provide insights faster than traditional methods. These innovations not only enhance productivity, but also foster creativity by freeing up time for more innovative pursuits. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing productivity by automating tasks, boosting creativity, and saving time. This presentation will delve into practical strategies for leveraging artificial intelligence tools to enhance efficiency and effectiveness in various domains. Leverage AI-powered calendars like Motion and Reclaim for smart scheduling. These tools offer automatic reminders and generate meeting summaries, enhancing efficiency. They also prioritize tasks by analyzing deadlines and workload, ensuring optimal productivity. Embrace these technologies to streamline task management and focus on what truly matters. AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai revolutionize writing by drafting emails, blogs, and reports efficiently. They can summarize lengthy documents in seconds, saving time and enhancing productivity. Additionally, these tools generate creative ideas and outlines, aiding in content creation and brainstorming processes. AI search assistants like Perplexity and Elicit enhance research by providing precise information quickly. They can summarize academic papers, saving time and effort. AI tutors offer personalized learning plans, adapting to individual needs and improving educational outcomes. These tools revolutionize how we approach learning and research, making processes more efficient and tailored. AI streamlines repetitive tasks by automating data entry, report generation, and email management. Integrating Zapier with AI enhances workflow automation, reducing manual effort. AI chatbots efficiently handle customer support, providing instant responses and freeing up human resources for more complex tasks. Otter.ai transcribes meetings efficiently, while Notion AI organizes projects seamlessly. Grammarly AI enhances writing quality, ensuring clarity and correctness. Canva AI simplifies design creation, offering quick and professional visuals. These tools empower professionals and students to optimize productivity and creativity in their respective fields. Combine AI with human judgment to enhance decision-making. Avoid over-reliance on automation to maintain critical thinking skills. Always fact-check AI-generated content to ensure accuracy. Use AI ethically and responsibly to uphold integrity and trust in your work. AI enhances productivity by automating routine tasks, saving time on writing and research, and allowing focus on high-value work. The essence lies in leveraging AI for repetitive tasks, freeing up time for creative endeavors. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.